Hello and welcome to another update video. So it has been quite a while since the last update, and I had planned to do this a lot sooner. I was aiming to do this a month, even 2 months ago, because that was when I was aiming to be able to be starting back sort of recording and releasing tutorials for folks. And unfortunately, just hasn't been possible. Things have not only continued to be really, really busy, they've actually gotten busier again, and I'm just not managing to find, unfortunately, the time for being able to not even just record the tutorials, but even just plan out what ones I actually want to be diving into. And it doesn't look like that's going to be changing anytime soon, unfortunately. So I've been trying to think about what the best sort of next steps are, because I still really want to be able to be doing tutorials in future, but unfortunately due to some changes Patreon made, it's actually really difficult to operate on that sort of more irregular schedule. And yeah, I have always from the beginning felt that the regular sort of approach with Patreon was good, but I could only in good conscience be doing that when I was regularly releasing stuff, which is why I've always paused it when I've taken breaks and holidays. So I think at this stage, because while I do very much want to be able to return to doing ones, I really don't know when that's going to be, and I cannot at this stage or probably at any point this year commit to any kind of regular schedule. So what I am going to do is I am going to fully shut down the Patreon in another month or so, and then that's going to leave pretty much the YouTube thanks as sort of an option. If I identify some other option that might work for irregular things, then I'll look into that. But that's pretty much going to be the plan at the moment. Things like the Discord and so forth that patrons have had access to, that's not going anywhere. That'll still be there, and I'll still be trying to be active in that. In terms of, if people are commenting on videos and asking questions, things like that, I will always be trying to be responding to those as well. Just might be a little bit more of a delay than I'd otherwise sort of like. But then going forward, hopefully there'll be some tutorials I can be doing this year. I just don't know yet, because it's actually been... I don't know if I've actually really gotten to fire up Unity much at all this year, so it's been that kind of level of busy where it just hasn't even been able to happen. So there's actually a lot of stuff I want to get across in the newer versions of Unity, because I actually haven't had a chance to use any of the new things added in the 6 series. So that's sort of next on my list, but I don't know sort of really when that's going to be able to happen. I do want to reassure folks that there is nothing wrong. My health and everything like that is still all good. I'm still running distances that possibly ridiculous, but I love them and it's fun. So I'm going to be keeping on doing that. But yes, it is unfortunately, I don't know when future videos are going to be coming out, and I don't know if or when something like the Patreon is going to be able to return. So there's going to be a few changes there, but as I said, very much still want to be responding to comments on the YouTube videos, and also responding to things in the Discord that patrons have, and people won't lose access to anything like of that. And I will hopefully be uploading some more videos this year, but I just don't know at this stage. But until next time, bye.